This is how you can remove an ingrown toenail without surgery. An incarnated nail occurs when the edge of the nail is buried within the skin of the toe. Pain, redness, and swelling may be present around the nail. An ingrown toenail can be the result of many factors, but shoes that do not fit well and toenails that are not properly fixed are the most common causes. Some people resort to surgery, which can be painful and expensive, but effective. Although you do not need to require that, since there are natural options with which you can remove them. Here are some tricks. Tips to remove an ingrown toenail. Next we will teach you some tricks to treat annoying ingrown nails, helping to reduce pain and infection. Grind a garlic and place it on the affected nail. Fix with a bandage to keep it still and let it act all night. A very used and very effective method is the tincture of marigold. Add a little to the hot water and let your feet soak for half an hour. Seal your foot in the area and leave overnight. You will notice the improvement the next day. Another effective remedy, similar to the previous one, replaces marigold by salt. Disinfect and relieve inflammation. Remove the juice from an onion and soak the ingrown nail. Cover with a bandage and leave overnight. To soothe the pain, it is recommended to warm a lemon, conventional oven, microwave, etc. cup and insert the finger. Leave for half an hour. Recommendations to avoid ingrown toenails. Cut the nail always in a straight line, avoiding the rounded tips that are the ones that make them incarnate. Use proper footwear in such a way that the fingers are not compressed inside. When you already have an ingrown toenail, the best way to cure it is to have your foot outdoors as much as you can, so that when you are at home, try to wear sandals that allow ventilation of the foot. It is also important to avoid accidents where the nail is hit, as this worsens the condition and, in addition to the pain it causes the nail to be buried more.